Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to delete check-ins on Facebook. So first of all, what you have to do is simply open the Facebook app, and at the top right corner you can see your profile icon as well as the three-line icon. Simply tap on that. Now go to your profile by simply tapping on your profile icon. Now all you have to do is simply go to the post and simply tap on the three dots icon right beside their username and the check-ins. Simply tap on the three dots icon which is here. Simply tap on three dots, and now what you have to do is tap on edit post, which is the fourth option. Then you can see at the bottom there is one location option. Simply tap on this location option that is in red color. Tap on it and you can see the check-ins that you have added to this post. Just wait for a while. Now what you have to do is simply tap on this X button at the right. Simply tap on it, and then what you have to do is tap on the save button at the top right corner, and the check-ins have been deleted from the Facebook. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.